We follow directions well. Not a herp, but
it's a beetle.
Pretty cool little beetle.
There's another one in here. Well, that's a bigger one.
Ooh.
Oh, there's two.
Jeez. How many are there?
4. Any more?
Wow. Alright, we'll let y'all go back to redigging that. You didn't do it well. Try it again.
When I move out, I can get like a big old reach fish or something.
That'd be nice. Get a nice red tail.
Oh, red tails are awesome. They have one there at Repticon for sale for like 20 bucks.
Wow.
It was a rescue, but it was like 4 foot long.
Alright, got another little 5 line.
Yep.
Also known as blue tail skink.
Yeah, this one's got a bright blue tail. They actually use this to attract attention away from their heads when predators attack them, so that they can get away freely. And they can even drop their tails. And they just squiggle around for about 5 minutes.
And then just because of the nerves, and then they just grow back.
Yeah. They don't really like to lose their tail though, because it takes a lot of energy to grow back.
Oh, I imagine.
Ready to let them go?
See if I can get a good
beautiful
close.
tail.
Oh, I know. Heck yeah. Camera funny, folks. Alright, he's ready.
Bye-bye.
Yep, see you, buddy. So apparently this is, what do you call this place?
Ringneck Road.
Ringneck Road.
It's just a railroad, but I've found a ton of ringneck snakes here.
We haven't found any yet. We saw Baby Racer, got away from us, and then we got that guy. So
it's starting to look up.
Most productive herping trip so far this year. So we're doing good. And now it's windy. So Lucas just telling me about how these little spots right here where there's that temperature difference in the summertime, you'll find rat snakes in here like crazy. I mean, oh, I thought it was going to be a good year before, but now I have adult supervision, so it's going to be even better.
This is actually
even though he's 17 and I'm 31, he's still more of an adult than I am.
This is actually the spot where I found my first timber.
Good, that word. You're playing with my emotions.
That's a good rock.
Oh, good Lord.
That's the perfect rock.
Can we flip it?
I think we can flip it. Here, set up the camera. Ooh, right
One
there.
day you don't bring your tripod, Jordan.
1, 2.
Be funny if Dad had the snake under. We tried.
Yeah, we tried. That's all we can ever do.
I'm starting to think that, you know how they have ADD and ADHD? I really believe there's like HADD, herping attention deficit disorder. I really do, because we're like, oh, look at there, 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 rat snake, king snake. God, this is...
Like on the sides of this place, it's just perfect. Hey, you want to set up some tin?
Yeah. It was, okay, because these are the guys that I've been finding, they're Appalachians.
Yeah, they're either Appalachians or Duskies. They're pretty much
They had that red, that light red there on the side of their face. Yeah, that's why I thought they were Jordans.
Yeah, they look so much alike though.
I know.
Any actual herpetologists in the comments? Tell us. Oh, suicide bomber.
Oh God, dude, that looks painful.
Oop. And there they go. Here, let's flip over this one. Maybe there's another.
No, buddy. Yeah. No.
Hold on. Angle it up a little more. Oh, thought I saw it.
No. This is gonna be your spot though for your cave salamanders. Ridiculous. Holy piss.
I've climbed up that before.
You climbed up that?
Yeah, I almost fell.
Yeah, I can see why. Oh my gosh. And what do you say is here?
This used to be a marble quarry, but now it's just a perfect place to herp.
So what do you think we might find here?
I find racers here actually a lot.
Really?
Yeah. Especially down in the actual quarry.
I'd like to find me a racer. That would be nifty. Wow. So that just comes, we went straight through there. Just comes out into here. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff to flip.
Welcome to Keyhole.
Yeah. Sweet.
Oh, that wind feels so good.
Holy crap. You jealous yet, Rob?
All that for nothing. Got a little spring peeper.
Is that spring peeper or is that cricket?
I think it's a spring peeper because it has an X on the back.
Okay. Let it zoom in. Let it focus. I don't know why I thought one. There we go. Let me get it. Let it focus real quick. Hang on. These guys are super cool. And I like no other, that X on the back is really pretty.
They got a bit. Oh,
wait, that's perfect. Oh. I thought he was gonna stay there.
No. Oh yeah, down here's the best spot to look.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's an entrance to a cave right in there.
Yeah. Goes pretty deep. I've never gone about 15 feet into it though.
Yeah.
I'd never carry a flashlight.
The size of this place.
This is just,
that's what we just came from.
it's just one little part.
Just one little part.
You can see the cave.
Oh yeah, you can. Way down there. And that would have been great. I would have felt bad for you, but
it would have been funny.
I just like to say on all those infomercials. But wait, there's more. Oh, he's got it. Things we do to find snakes. The things we do to find snakes. Okay, let's try not to die. Okay. Well, on the bright side, those rocks look like they hurt if you step on them, if you fall on them. Haha! Whoop. Okay. Alright. Said he managed to flip an Evan. So, let's go find. Where you at? Over here. Yeah. You can see why this place would have racers everywhere. This is racer heaven. Oh, they made a little teepee up here. There is some stuff to flip, even though I've lost all hope in flipping anything ever again in my entire life. Well, guys, we're back here at the visitor center, but
we're back where it all began.
There is one more spot that we have to check where he promises me, says every single time he comes here, there's always a black rat snake. How big did you say it was?
6 foot long.
6 foot long black rat snake, every single time. And so, we're gonna give that one more shot, and hopefully that streak will continue. All those frogs, you hear those? That's all on the island. There's some right here. I don't see them.
Probably next to the cypress.
Probably. So I set you guys up because the black rat snake is in the center, but it's locked because they're closed.
We took too long.
But yeah, so anyway, that's gonna do it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you, Justin. Or Lucas. Lucas. Wow, I'm a dick. I'm a dick. Yep, I'm a dick.
We've been here for 4 hours.
You can at least get my name right.
Like and subscribe to my channel first, though. Lucas's Lizards.
Exactly, exactly. I'll put a one of his videos will be at the end screen, and then you can go see yesterday's or part 1 or whatever I ended up doing with the rest of this video. I don't know yet, but yeah. So, you want to close it out?
Peace.
There you go.